Mozilla Firefox is one of the fastest and most privacy-focused browsers available today. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through downloading and installing Firefox on Windows 10 or 11. The process is quick and straightforward, so let's jump right in. Open your current browser and search for Mozilla Firefox. Click the top result from mozilla.com to access the official download page. On the home page, you'll see a prominent Download Firefox button. Before clicking it, notice the checkbox that says Set Firefox as your default browser. If you want Firefox to handle all your web links automatically, leave this checked. Otherwise, uncheck it. You can always change this later in your settings. So, click on Download Firefox button and the installer file will begin downloading. Once the download completes, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Then, double-click the installer file to start the installation process. And you'll see a progress bar indicating the installation status. Once installation finishes, Firefox will launch automatically and present you with a welcome screen. Click Continue to proceed to the customization options. Firefox offers to import data from your previous browser. If you prefer to start fresh, simply click on Skip this step at the bottom. Next, Firefox asks about your preferences. Select your intended use and important features, such as personal and other, then click Save and Continue. Next, Firefox offers recommended extensions. You can explore these or simply click on Skip this step to move forward. Finally, click Start Browsing to complete the setup. Welcome to Firefox. You're now on the Firefox home screen. Notice the clean interface with the search bar in the center and quick access shortcuts to popular websites. Firefox is now ready to use with all its privacy features, tracking protection, and customization options at your fingertips.